Greetings from Istana, Singapore. Today there's an open house, free entry for Singaporeans and locals, but chargeable $20 for foreigners, so I'm going in to check it out. Actually, I walk a long way from the entrance until now, and then go to security checkpoint. So this area, right, it looks like a big version of Botanic Gardens. I'm not sure what to expect, man. Besides the people, there seems to be some kind of activity going on, but we will find out, man. What to encounter, what to do in encounter odors. So there are odors right here. A nice pond and a nice bridge over there. No, there isn't any guide or something beside the little map. I don't see any like tourist attraction, I mean stuff to explore, man. Sorry to say that. Just people walking, the plants, the trees, and people taking selfies. Maybe there is. At the right side, it seems more interesting. That's a big house, man. Let's go check out. This place seems to be a playground for the kids, man. It's some kind of sand. Oh, kind of sandy places. Put in a nice little house, man. And because of lack of seat, people are just sitting on the grass, or maybe it's just want a natural view. If I was them, I'll just lie down in a short while, facing the sky. I'll just do a video first. Oh, some nice little flowers. You guys know which breed of flowers they are? Look like the orchid, national flower of Singapore. Wow. Guess what? I'm going inside the building. Some vase and Chinese ornaments. Wayang carpet. Invented by Vice President Indonesia just last year, 2025. Floral porcelain vase. So different president, they give Singapore this nice looking stuff. Metal work of a Buddhist temple presented by Myanmar. Look at this, man. Electric guitar here. Presented by the president of Korea. All this is like within the 6 months. Just 3 months ago. So in front is the 2 Singapore flags and the president's chair, I believe. Majula Singapura, and that's the meaning. There's a meaning behind the flag. Because presidential standard. So the flag, right, consists of white crescent moon. Here 5 white stars, and the red color symbolizes universal brotherhood, equality. The crescent is the young country of the ascent. The rise and 5 stars represent democracy, peace, progress, justice, equality, and the flag is flown within Istana from 8 to 6 p.m. with the presidents in the country. Level 2 now, there's very interesting exhibits. The horse sculpture, and there's one cast iron horseman. Wow, there's a bird sculpture. Oh, there's a plaque given by the Indonesian government. Deer motif. Here. Rain can suit the leopard skin, but it doesn't work out its coat. It's true, leopard doesn't change its coat. So doesn't mean our bad habits cannot be changed. I believe for humans it's different. Once you're about to lose something, if you don't change, right, then You regret it forever. Yeah, what a nice lamp. Oh, over here with the coffee set. President with us. Presented by different countries, you know. It's just so incredible. The volcano, you know, when the people want to go to the war, right? The tribes, they'll do this makeup now, that they go to the war. Then they'll drum and make a lot of the noise using musical instrument. And over here you have the throne chair of King Tutankhamun. You know, the Egypt, look at that, man. Gold black deer plate presented by Mexico president. So what's this, man? Decorative marble set presented by King and Queen of Belgium. And over there with the bronze sculpted panel presented by the Pope Francis, you know, Pope. Holy figure, right? Very beautiful. I think the aunties and uncles will love it. And great copper plate, a bronze incense burner, that's kind of door, right? Spanish clay door. Ceramic cup. Wooden sculpture. Obsidian plate. Silver plated carving of the Presidential Palace of the Myanmar. A nice place, Jade tree. Name of the rose sculpture. Silverware box. Finger box. Tree of life sculpture. Silver bowl. Silver Goldberg's pen, and the crowd is still coming. This one is for Vietnam. Miniature temple of the future presented by President Long of Vietnam. The Lao Tian musical instrument, the king. Some kind of nice painting here. Hey, there's a turtle. Michelle turtle. Cabrera feather box presented by New Zealand. Plated display from Nepal. It's some temple, right? The World Heritage of Nepal. So let's explore the rest. I think there are some more. Oh, it seems to be like the exit already. But it's a nice exhibition. Let's check out the staircase. Wow, very nice. Wayang puppet. Okay, check out, man. Over here with more exhibits. Wow, I thought that's the end, man. Hand embroidered picture. Another set of teeth. Oh, this one is nice. Musical instrument from Ethiopia. Frame embroidered artwork from Vietnam. You know, the conical heads. It's a nice bell from Indonesia. Kukapkong. No, Garuda. They believe in this. It's a mystical creature. Ornamental bread presented by Morocco. What a big bread, man. Only 10 people can eat from this bread. It's halfway there or something, then they eat. In the corner is some more.
这是那个有些私人秘书的住所。这是大法官，巴黎变成大法官。
In memory of the late Mr. Lee Kuan Yew, 923 2015. So he lived for like 92 years.
这是两宝华是谁？
两宝华。两宝。
Can you see anything inside? It's nice, right? This villa was built in 1908. Until end 1984, it was used to accommodate the country's state visitors. Let's exit here and see what they have outside. Oh, sorry. So there's the exit. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, this place is big, man. You got to like quickly up to 30 minutes more. Oh, that was a villa. And they actually set up some kind of scavenger hunt activity station points. I see another building in front. And the policeman tap out his food already. He's going to makan. You know, police need to eat also, right? Oh, there's a gun terrace here, man. And it's light blue color. It's amazing. There's a military guard room here with two small cannons pointing at us right now. There's a fountain here. Very interesting. Oh, there's some face painting there. There's a lily pond at the basement, but I'm not going to explore it. Instead, I'm going to explore the food trucks. I'm just curious what kind of food they have. Let's go. There's even people jogging here. How do they pay the admission fee just to jog here? Wow. Alright, gonna check out the food trucks. Well, it's some kind of walk, man, from here. There seems to be some kind of construction. It's not Swenson. Could it only have been Swenson? I just saw the two policemen eating ice cream, man. On duty and eating. I think it's supposed to be fine because it's just a small snack, right? It's not like eating the fried rice or char kway teow right here. Oh, there's really the food on the truck, man. Here's a Swenson. 1979. And this is the menu, man. They have chicken, cheese and chips, sausage, fries. Oh, getting hungry now. Single scoop ice cream, 480. 4 flavors, strawberry, Hokkaido snow, vanilla, sticky chewy, chocolate chew.
We are sticky chewy. We have some. You want complimentary Hokkaido?
It's a menu. Wow, look at those fries. Next we have Singapore first Taiwanese food truck. 8度空间台湾餐车. I don't see the menu yet. The bubble tea. It's funny, huh? Are they close shop or something? There's no menu, there's no stuff. They just deliver one truck come here. There's the old chunky. Wow. Changi is there. It's funny, you know. There's a truck here, but there's no start to take order or something. And this building is supposed to be under renovation, you know. You see the crest. Wow. Now, I was expecting more of the food trucks, but it seems that only Swenson is operating right now. The rest just here for show or something. Now we're at the Lily Pond there. That's that kind of old trees, right? I think coming to Istana can be quite a challenge for the elderly, you know, have to walk up and down.